Hey guys, it's Carmen here, and today I am back with another unboxing. So today I will be unboxing the Rhinoshield Mod NX Case. This case is available on Rhinoshield's website for a price of $30 US. I also have it in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I will have both links in the description. Rhinoshield has a cardboard packaging. The front of the box mentions that this case is military grade, BPA free, modular, and personal. On the back, it mentions sustainability inside out. The side shows that this is the Mod NX case and shows the color of the case, which is red as well. You also can see that this case is made for iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you get your pull to open tab as well, which is nice. So let's go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, you get some more Rhinoshield branding and a hashtag to use on social media, which is choose mono with Rhino. And a bunch of small writing that I think I may need glasses to read, so I'm not gonna bother. Sorry guys. So the case itself is in some more cardboard. So you just lift the tab or lid or however you would like to call it, and there's your case. So this is a two-piece case, which means you can wear it two ways, and I'll show you. So you get a bumper and a hard plastic clear back cover. On the bumper, you get a nicely engraved Rhinoshield logo on the side and also your power button. The inside has a nice design inside that I'm assuming is going to bring out that military drop protection that Rhinoshield mentioned on the box. On the other side, you get 3 buttons, guys, which I am excited about this year with cases. So you may or may not know that Apple added an action button to the new Pro model phones. So I am definitely going to be looking out for this when I am purchasing and reviewing cases this year. On the back cover, you get another Rhinoshield logo near the camera cutout, which I think looks really good. So let's go ahead and try it out with the bumper only on, but first let's wipe it down for any fingerprints. Alright, well that was quick to install, so there you have it guys. Here it is with just the bumper on, and in my opinion it looks really good in contrast to the natural titanium iPhone. Apple didn't give us a red color case this year, so I figured I'd give this a try. As per usual, I love matching my cases with my wallpapers to give me the aesthetic that I'm looking for when picking up my phone. Wow, that looks very satisfying. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I probably would never just wear the bumper just because I don't like taking chances. And I get it. It has military drop protection. But me personally, I enjoy knowing that I have a case on my phone. So let's go ahead and get this back cover on. This thing is on tight, so bear with me. All right, I finally got it off. The clear back cover comes with 2 film pieces on the front of and the back to make sure it stays clear as possible in the packaging. So I'll go ahead and take that off before we put the phone in, and I'm just going to speed it up. All right, and I'm just going to clean it up one more time before putting the phone in. And it's pretty easy once you have everything in place. I'm just going to go ahead and pop the case in. Personally, I think this red looks really good. But if you were to head to Rhinoshield's website, you'll see they have tons of other colors that you can choose from. Rhinoshield also has other cases that I plan to review as well. I have my eyes on the MagSafe version of this back cover for this current bumper, different color buttons, and a wrist lanyard as well to make this setup even better. This video is in no way sponsored by Rhinoshield, but I do love what they have going on so far. It's a very nice alternative to Casetify's personalized cases, and it's cheaper as well in my opinion with the same level of protection. Alright guys, this is the Rhinoshield Mod NX. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye!